All right, so Jordan, I went and looked at the IXL on that code. You had only attempted one question, so make sure you're putting a little more work in prior to asking for help, and then also when you get one wrong, you scroll down and look at the explanation. But this one right here is the example that you had gotten wrong, and so I'm going to walk you through this one. And the problem said -9 minus 2q is equal to -5q. And so when we have variables on both sides, we need to get the variables on the same side. So step one, get the variables, whatever you have over here, need to be over here with the variable all by itself. So to do that, we use our inverse operations to have a zero pair. So if I have a -2q, I'm going to add 2q to get to 0. And I add 2q to this side. -5 plus 2 is -3. So instead of, I wouldn't even think about my variables at this point. I'm just looking at the numbers for my coefficients. -5 plus 2. So that's -3q. And then all I have left on the left side here is this -9, and I bring it down right here. Bring your equal sign down. Right here, I need to divide by the coefficient because my goal is to solve for q or to isolate the variable. So divide by -3, divide by -3. -3 divided by -3 is 1. I bring down the q. -9 divided by -3 is 3. All right, let's look at the next one I have here. These are right. All of these are from IXL. The equation given was 6v minus 8 equals 7v. So the 7v is all by itself already with the variable with no other terms on this side. So my goal is to get the v solved. I'm going to take 6v, 0 pair, inverse operations. If I have 6v, I'm going to subtract 6v. That's 0. Subtract 6v on this side. 7 minus 6 is just 1, so I bring down my v. And then I bring my -8 down. There's nothing to divide because I had a 1 for my coefficient. -8 equals v. All right, last example I have from the IXL. It said -2j is equal to -3j minus 2. First step, get the variables on the same side. So I have a -3j, 0 pair is inverse operations. So I have a negative, I'm going to add. Add 3j, I have 0. Add 3j. -2 plus 3 is 1. I bring down just my j. I have 1j left. On my right side, all I have is -2. I bring my -2 down. J equals -2. I hope that helps. Please go on to the IXL and keep working on that code. This is going to be a really important skill to learn going forward. And let me know if you have any problems. Thank you.